Hi there everyone. I've had a very busy day today and I had a request a while back to make Texas toast pizza. I've never made it, so I'm going to bring you along and that's what we're going to have tonight. We need Texas toast, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese. You can put any topping on this you want. You want to put the Texas toast on a baking sheet and you want to bake it for 2 minutes on one side, then turn it over and bake it for 2 minutes on the other side. And then you want to top it off with the cheese and the meat, and then you want to broil it on low for 2 to 3 minutes. So let me get things all ready and I will bring you back. Okay, here's everything I'm going to use. Here is the Texas toast right here. I've got some leftover hamburger meat. We've got some pepperoni. We've got some red onion, an empty dish. I was going to do something but decide not to. Green peppers and spaghetti sauce of your choice. So now what we're going to do is my oven is all ready. You need a baking sheet and some parchment paper. Did you hear the oven just toot at me? And you want clean hands before you start. We all don't want to forget that. I'm just going to put it out here like this. And we're just going to set it out. It's frozen all right. You want to keep it frozen till you get to use it. It's very important. You know, I haven't bought garlic bread in years, but before we start, here it is on the cookie sheet right here. Look how small they've gotten. They've downsized. They're about 2 inches wide. That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven for 2 minutes, then I'm gonna flip them all over and do another 2 minutes. Okay folks, I forgot almost to tell you we need some mozzarella cheese. So it's been 2 minutes on each side. Show you. Pick it up here. 2 minutes each side. I'm so happy I found these tongs today. They were my grandmother's. I was going through some stuff. So of course anything that's my grandmother's has to come into the video. All right, so now we're gonna put some sauce on. And this is sauce of your choice. Whether it's homemade, store-bought, whatever you got. It's just like that. And you wanna just spread it around. Just like this. That garlic and butter smells so good. I'm a garlic butter bread person, so this is really gonna be yummy. Okay, just like that. Now we're gonna put the cheese on. Put as little on or as much as you want. Everybody's different. Some people like lots of cheese, some people like just a little bit of cheese. Us as a family, we like cheese. I opened the low fat. Oh, this is both low fat, so that's good. It's I'm using low moisture part skim mozzarella. I'm trying to use up this bag here. There's not a whole lot in it, so instead of putting just a little dab of do ya back, I'm just going to use it. Just like that. So next we're going to use toppings. Just like this. any drippings on the side for toppings, I will scoop up and put it on the side, and I'm sure Mr. R will eat it. These ones here will be Mr. R's, and these ones here will be mine. I'm more of a veggie type person. I'd rather eat vegetables. As fluffy as I am, you would never know it. Whoa, sorry about that. We should do it like this. I think these should go on first. Then you want the green pepper. You just heard my oven go off. I put down broil. Then I will watch these very closely, because you know how broil is. Broil goes like really quick, for those that don't know. Green pepper. Pumpkin's gonna want some of these. Pumpkin loves green peppers. Try not to give her too many. I'd rather her eat carrots, but her vet says green peppers is okay, so she gets them. Gotta listen to your vet. If your vet says yes, then you can do it. If the vet says no, then I not recommend it. Our Miss Pumpkin, she's very special to us. She's a little high maintenance, but we love her. She's very good. When she knows I'm having a seizure, she lets me know, because she doesn't let me get up. She stays with me all day long. It's funny how dogs can sense things. There. There's that. Now we're back to this. To the pepperoni. That was a thick piece of pepperoni. I thought it was 2 pieces together. Guess that proved me wrong now, didn't it? Load it right up. He loves to eat. He doesn't eat too much during the day, but when he comes home at night, he puts the food right to him. And I will pass on that. And I will put some red onions on mine. Use up the onions because there's not that many left. Make sure I brush my teeth good tonight, boy. Okay. Now we're gonna decided to top this off the last given moment with some tomatoes that need to be used. So this will be really yummy. This will go in the underneath the broiler. Watch it very carefully. You don't want to burn anything. And then we'll have some yummy eats. Mine may have to go in the warming oven, depending if Mr. R gets home. So I'll bring you back when it's all done. So here it is out of the oven. I'm gonna let it cool just for a few minutes and I'll plate it up. Okay folks, here it is. Ray's here, mine's here. It's gotta go in the warming oven for a few minutes because he's not home yet and I'd like to eat dinner with him tonight. So there you have it right here, Texas Toast Pizza. Look in the description box down below and I will write it out for you. Always remember, if you're looking for a recipe of mine that I've done, always check the description box. Please like, share, and subscribe. You never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.